Okay, so we're back here again with the same machine. It's been about a week since the last video. We have still used it, but the sound has started getting worse. They did take off and realign the belts, but that wasn't a problem. Everything was set tight. There's no screws loose. And you can see here, there's more of that black material. I don't know if you can see it very well. Right there. There's more of that black material that's coming off, right? Right there. So we found some more in there. And the sound has started getting worse. Okay. Yeah, that sound, it was a lot more subtle in the last video, as you can hear. It's kind of a lot worse this time. We don't know what it is, but it's coming from somewhere here. Right now, as you guys can see, we have a lot of work we need to get in before the holidays. So I would really like to get this solved as soon as possible. If we could get a new machine, or if someone could come in and fix it, that would be great. Okay. The only thing we do is just pine. That's all. That's all it's used to, and it's still working, but the sound is getting worse. Yeah, if you guys could just get. I'm just afraid that it's gonna break all completely. Thank you guys.